I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select Zoho Desk. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Choose a respective data center. To get client ID and client secret, please visit Zoho API Console. Get started. Create a server-based application. Give an application name. Copy the homepage URL and authorized redirect URI and paste it here. Copy the client ID and client secret and paste it here. Click Authorize. Accept authentication. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select the portal and department. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. You can select a ticket owner, and products also can send attachments. The ticket owner is required. Select a ticket owner. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Here is the data that came into Zoho Desk through the integration. Thanks for watching our video.